It's called speed flying, a cross between paragliding and skiing, and these two daredevils have become the first people to do it on the slopes of Europe's biggest and most active volcano. Italian adventurers Felice Boccanegra and Jody Barattini reached speeds of up to 60 miles per hour as they glided down Sicily's Mt Etna. They were joined by a team of expert guides and mountaineers. Why? Because Etna's already erupted 4 times this year. After reaching the summit, which is 3,329 metres above the ground, Boccanegra and Barattini descended back into the valley.